I am a teacher, and we are teachers. She is a dancer, and they are performers. We are friends, and I am your friend too. He is a singer, and we are his fans. It is a bird, and they are parrots. We are classmates, and she is our teacher. He is a writer, and they are readers. It is a flower, and those are plants. I am a speaker, and you are listeners. He is a guard, and they are police officers. You are a student, and you are learners. He is a doctor, and they are doctors. It is a puppy, and they are dogs. You are a painter, and they are artists. She is a nurse, and they are hospital staff. I am a player, and they are my teammates. You are a driver, and we are passengers. She is a chef, and we are customers. They are helpers, and she is their leader. You are a guide, and we are tourists.